Malawi Today.
Can we fix it? Is there time? Hate and violence just increases. We're so selfish, cruel and blind. We fight and kill each other in your name, defending you. Do you love some more than others? We're so lost and confused. Hello, God, are you out there? Can you hear us? Are you listening anymore? Hello, God, if we're oh, the free will you have given, we have made a mockery of. This is no way to be living. We're in great need of your love. Hello, God. Hello, God. Can you grant us love enough to start again? Hello, God. Is there still a chance that we could make amends? Hello, God. We've learned our lesson. Oh, God, don't let us go. Hello, more than ever. Hello, God. Hello, 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 God. We really need you. We can't make it without you. We beseech you in the name of all is true. Hello, God, please forgive us, for we know not what we do. Hello, God, give us one more chance to prove ourselves to you. Hello, God. Hello, God. Thank you.
Zikomo kwambiri tamveratu kuimba kwa nthetemya kwakanyamata kakang'ono kameneko. Pa nthawi ino tipemphe a area 18 Catholic Choir kuti atiimbire nyimbo imodzi. Akamamaliza nyimbo imene amene mwakonza set ya play kuti mutionetse pano mukhale pa stage patsogolopo kuti mupange play yawo. Tikachoka pamenepo tikulowa gawo la zoyankhula zochokera kwa anthu osiyanasiyana ndinso zipani zosiyanasiyana. Zikomo. Akundikonza apa akuti tapasire a St. Cecilia Choir. St. Cecilia Choir, please.